Kam Hing Coffee Shop, located on Baxter Street near Canal, is a third-generation family-owned business which opened in the 1970s. They specialize in Chinese-style sponge cakes, which are similar to angel food cake, but more eggy and with kind of a different texture. The illustration on the wall depicts each family member as a sponge cake. They also sell coffee, hot milk tea, and a variety of other drinks and food items. Hey guys, we got 2 sponge cakes from the Kam Hing Coffee Shop. They're known for their traditional Chinese sponge cakes. We got an original flavor, which was only $1, and this is their green tea flavor, which is only $1.25. They're baked fresh daily, and I don't know how many they sell, but they're really, really popular. Ling's fresh-made sweet mini cakes on Canal Street sells paper bags filled with 15 quarter-sized puffball cakes for only $1.50. They're made using a thin, egg-based, lightly sweetened batter poured into a special waffle iron and make a great snack. There are seemingly miles of fruit stands along Canal and other side streets in Chinatown, selling all types of fruit, including exotic and strange fruits from various parts of Asia and the Caribbean. We saw fruits we were familiar with and lots that we were not so familiar with, including rambutan and dragon fruit from Southeast Asia, and durian, the king of fruits, with its thorny exterior and strong smell. An odor so pungent that several countries in Asia have banned its public consumption. The area that is now Columbus Park was one of the most dangerous ghetto areas of immigrant New York in the 1800s and was even portrayed in the book and film Gangs of New York. Today, it's a great spot for people watching, and it's filled with Chinese men and women practicing Tai Chi, playing games of Mahjong, and a variety of Chinese musical instruments that they sing along with.
This woman really tried to get Hudson's attention, but he was more interested in the tennis balls.
So we're in Columbus Park in Chinatown now, and we're going to have our Ling's mini cakes that we got. And Hudson can have one too. Here you go, good boy. Wing on Wo & Company is located on Mott Street near Pell and is the oldest store in Chinatown. It opened in 1890 as a general store and is now being run by the 5th-generation family member, Mei Lum. Wing on Wo specializes in quality porcelain, including teapots, hand-painted teacups, plates, platters, jars, planters, and other Chinese specialty items, which for 5 decades were hand-picked by Mei's grandmother, Nancy, who still works at the shop today.
Wing on Wo started in 1890. We were actually located at 13 Mott Street, just diagonal of here, and moved to this current location, 26 Mott Street, in 1925, and have been here ever since. We started as a general store, so selling different tastes of home, and then turned into more of a specialty porcelain shop in 1964 when my grandmother took over.
Mei Lum, the second youngest of the family's grandchildren, turned down acceptance to graduate school at Columbia University to join the family business, and has reinvented the shop by updating its porcelain selection and by turning it into a shop/community space called the WOW Project, holding panel discussions, artist in residency programs, public workshops, and film screenings. This new vision for Wing on Wo, interestingly, resembles the store's past, when Chinatown general stores were all crucial social and gathering spaces selling familiar foods and items from home.
Joined the family business in 2016 and have been helping propel Wing on Wo's business side as well as the community initiative that we run ever since. So I'm about 3.5 years into running the business.
Chinatown Fair Family Fun Center on Mott Street near Bowery is one of the last video arcade centers in the city. It was founded in 1944 and was known for its tic-tac-toe playing chicken. Today, it has many classic arcade games, driving and shooter games, as well as rhythm games, including Dance Dance Revolution. Doyer Street, which is very short and has a sharp 90-degree curve, became an infamous criminal hangout in the early 1900s and was once called the Bloody Angle because enemies were lured there and ambushed by rival gang members. No Moi Tea Parlor on tiny crooked Doyer Street by Pell is the oldest dim sum restaurant in Chinatown. It was founded in 1920 and is now being run by the second-generation owner, Wilson Tang. Its gorgeous hand-painted sign was installed around 1968. We love that much of the interior is original, including the lunch counter and stainless stools. We also love all of the vintage tea cans on display. To order, you're given a long sheet of paper and a pen, and you mark down which items you want. If you need a further description, you'll need to consult the provided menu. When we interviewed Wilson, he shared with us that he's one of the few Chinese people in New York who has stuck with the family business and also brought it to the next level by serving dim sum all day long. Since we had our dog Hudson with us, we opted for takeout from No Moi and ordered their delicious shrimp su mei, which is an open-top shrimp dumpling, and had some stuffed eggplant and vegetarian dumplings. We ate at a table inside Columbus Park, which is only a short distance from No Moi and stretches from Bayard Street along Melbury all the way to Worth Street. We had an amazing day exploring Chinatown. We stopped in at Kam Hing Coffee Shop and got freshly made sponge cakes, and even had some mini cakes from the street vendor Ling's. We also visited the oldest store in Chinatown, Wing on Wo, stopped in at the arcade, Chinatown Fair, before ending our day with some dim sum from Nonghua Tea Parlor. Hey guys, we hope you enjoyed our first Chinatown video. Please hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up if you liked it. We'll be posting new videos weekly.
Bye, guys.
Bye guys!